Yo, my name is Harry and I'm gonna teach you how to do the laser beam sound. First, do a kiss. I know it's rare, but it is important, so. Then, do it with a wider mouth, like this. Close your teeth while doing it, like do the kiss without moving your teeth. You can see here my teeth are not moving. And when you do it, you're gonna feel a little bit of pressure in your bottom lip. That's gonna be applied when you do the kiss, like. So it's gonna be right here, right there. Now you just have to hold that position into the in-between part of the teeth with your hand. Just do it lightly, like don't do it like this. Now do it lightly. Then do the kiss again without moving your bottom lip, because you're holding it with your hand, like this. And now you just have to remove your hand when you get used to it. And congratulations, you have learned the laser sound. Yeah, but I know it's not that easy, so if you still can't do it, watch the video again and listen carefully because you don't want to miss any information. And if you like the laser sound, I suggest checking out this tutorial about this sound. I call it the robot model sound, and it's very easy as it is very similar to the laser sound, so you can learn it in just 1 minute if you already know how to do the laser sound.